Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Nissan Versa's transmission fluid. Proper fluid levels are crucial for your transmission's health and longevity. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, level surface. Then, start the engine and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes to warm up the transmission fluid. This ensures an accurate reading. Finally, locate the transmission dipstick, usually to the right of the engine oil dipstick. Once the engine is warm, carefully remove the transmission dipstick. Use a clean, lint-free rag to wipe off all the fluid. Now, fully reinsert the dipstick into its tube until it's seated properly. Pull it out one more time and observe the fluid level. It should fall within the designated hot or full range on the dipstick, indicating the correct amount. Beyond just the level, the fluid's condition is vital. New transmission fluid is usually clear, bright red, or a light pink color. If your fluid appears dark brown, black, or has a burnt odor, it's a strong sign that it needs to be replaced. Many Nissan Versa models use a specialized, continuously variable transmission fluid, such as NS2 or NS3. Always confirm the precise fluid type in your owner's manual to prevent damage. It's important to note that some newer Nissan Versa models feature sealed transmissions, meaning they do not have a traditional dipstick. Checking the fluid in these systems requires specific tools and a precise procedure, often best performed by a certified technician. If you don't find a dipstick, it's always safest to consult a professional. Consistent transmission, fluid checks, and maintenance are key to keeping your Versa running smoothly for many years.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.